How to unsave pins on Pinterest. Let's get started. Launch your Pinterest app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find the pin option. Navigate to the profile option. Once you're over here, you're going to find the pin option. Head over to the option of pins. Under that, you're going to find all the saved pins. Now how to unsave any of it. For that, press and hold on the pin that you want to unsave. Different options will appear. Select this pin option, edit. Now you will get this option of delete this pin. Click on it. Are you sure if you delete this pin, you won't be able to get it back? Click on delete. And just with that, you have unsaved that pin. By following the same steps, you are able to unsave any pin on Pinterest. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.